Hey guys, it's me, Kyra, and my dog Bailey walking her today, and it's gonna be a blast. So let's go. So recently, Christmas has been over, and I'm really mad because it's no more Christmas. Here, guys, twist. Sorry, my dog's going some crazy way. And we taking stuff down. I like when it's kind of crispy because there's not a lot of dangerous stuff in the world. And yeah, so for me and my dog Bailey, let's go down this hill. About to run. About to go for a little walk around the corner. Like my neighborhood. It's like crazy. Crazy like. So yeah. Oh, we're about to go around the corner. My dog, I'm talking about my dog used to it, so when she grow up, she know how to walk around the corner. So we're gonna go right across the corner. It's wet, so we're not going to stay in our driveway. I'm just gonna go around the corner. My dog's kind of like this corner, but I hate about it when she was like kind of littler and she was like a little bit babyer. She would stop running around the corner. That got me the scaredest part. Cause you'll know somebody stop and pick us up. So she's doing real good right now. She's walking casually, and she's doing very good. But I remember one time the stranger came up to me and I was trying to move. She said, "Don't touch the poor thing, don't touch the baby." And so, what's the dog's name? And then I said, and I ain't seen nothing. And I never said nothing. So, yeah. So, yeah. We just came back around the corner. We're pulling up. That's where I used to have my school at. And yeah. So, yeah. Look how cool these bunnies are. Stalking. Yo, they just came so closer. That is crazy. They keep getting closer and closer. Oh my God, I'm not moving. Hey, buddies. I thought walk right in the lemonade stand and said to the man right in the stand, "Hey, bum bum bum, got any grapes?" I love that song. So here's a spot right here that we'll go to when it gets too cold and the wind is blowing, but like coming this way, because it'll hit the wall and we'll be fine. So yeah, so here's our destination. So thanks for watching my video, and make sure to subscribe and comment down below how you walk your dog and what would you say when you walk your dog. Bye.